Absolutely Clean Window Washing here. Pressure washing a deck in Elk River, Minnesota. The deck has a very dark black stain just from sitting, and as we pressure wash here, you can see the deck is going from from black to like a nice gold color. Kind of hard to see with this lighting here, but we've done the top deck planks already. They were very, very black looking, and now they're a rich gold color. I think you guys can see what's going on here. Oh yeah, it's coming right back to gold. This is Absolutely Clean Window Washing. Coming to you again, pressure washing a deck in Elk River, Minnesota. If you'd like this service performed on your property, please give us a call at 612-919-4185. Again, that number is 612-919-4185. And I'll just keep rolling the video here. I know this might not interest a lot of people, but it's a very neat service, I think. It really brings life back to an old deck. If you have an old deck that's green or black or gray, we can turn it back to its original color. This deck here, I think, had been neglected for quite a few years, been sitting without any sealant on it. So as you can see there, it's coming right back to life though. Beautiful. Done and not done. I don't know if you can see that, but right by the post there, he stopped pressure washing the bottom plate. Before and after. Absolutely Clean Window Washing. Coming to you again in Elk River. Give us a call at 612-919-4185. Again, that number is 612-919-4185. We'd love to give you a free estimate on pressure washing your deck. 612-919-4185. Otherwise, visit us on the web at Absolutely Clean Window Washing. Thank you very much.